You've seen these POV history videos everywhere. A Roman soldier holding a phone at arm's length, marching, sweating, talking to the camera, millions of views, comments full of people saying it feels real. I wanted to make my own version, my own story, my own character. And the first time I tried it took me 3 days. ChatGPT for the script, one tool for the images, another for the video, an editor for the cut, and a folder on my desktop called final_final_2 that I'm honestly not proud of. This time I made one in about 40 minutes without leaving a single tab. Same format, completely original video. And I'm going to show you every click so you can study the process, not copy the content. The tool is Flova, an AI native video creation agent platform. That word agent is the part that matters. It doesn't just generate a clip when you type something. It holds your whole project, your reference, your notes, your characters, your shots, and works from that context every time you ask for something. So let's start where every recreation should start, not with a prompt, with the reference. Step 1, feed the reference in Login and click New Project. Name it. Mine is POV Lighthouse 1890. Now, open the Project Documents panel on the left and hit Add Document. This is where I paste the link to the viral reference and a short note about what I actually want from it. Break down the hook, the pacing, the shot lengths, the camera language, the audio feel, not the story, the structure. And to be completely clear about where the line is, I'm not downloading this video, reusing its footage, or copying the creator's story, characters, or assets. Nothing from the original ends up in my project. I'm only studying how it's built, and everything I generate from here is my own. Then I open the Skills panel, search for the video analysis skill, and turn it on before I ask anything. That's the part people skip. Turn the skill on first, then send the request. In the chat, I type, analyze this reference. Give me the hook in the first 2 seconds, the shot count, average shot length, the camera style, and the emotional rhythm. Then propose 3 original concepts using the same structure. Different era, different character, no copied content. Give it a minute and read what comes back. Mine came back with 11 shots, average 2.3 seconds, handheld selfie framing, and a hook built on one impossible thing happening in an ordinary moment. That last line is the whole reason the format works. I click Save to Project Documents so the breakdown stays in context for the rest of the build. Step 2, lock the concept and the storyboard. Of the 3 concepts, I picked the lighthouse keeper in 1890 filming himself during a storm. Type, use concept 2, build the video spec and an 11-shot storyboard matching the reference pacing. Keep every shot under 3 seconds except the last one. Now switch to canvas mode. This is where it stops feeling like a chat and starts feeling like production. Every shot appears as its own card, in order, left to right. The reference sits at the top. The character sits on the side, connected to every shot it appears in. Drag shot 7 ahead of shot 6. The storm reveal lands harder before the reaction, not after. Step 3. Check the prompt before you spend credits. This is my favorite part and the reason I stopped burning credits on bad generations. Click on Shot 1. Instead of generating, open Prompt Draft. Now you can see exactly what's about to be sent. The camera language, the character action, the lighting, the reference image, the model, the duration. The draft for Shot 1 reads, handheld selfie video, bearded lighthouse keeper in wet wool coat, holding the camera at arm's length, wind whipping his hair, stone tower behind him, gray storm light, 1890s look, natural film grain. Good, but it'll come out too clean, so I edit it directly and add lens spotted with rain, slight overexposure at the edges, camera shaking with the wind, subject shouting to be heard, small change, massive difference in believability. Set the duration to 3 seconds, keep the aspect ratio at 9:16, and click Approve and Generate. Now here's where most AI videos fall apart. Shot 4 looks like a different guy. Watch what happens. Step 4, generate and actually review, run the first batch. 4 shots at once and they land in the canvas as they finish. Play them back. Shot 1 is strong. Notice how the rain on the lens sells the whole thing, and the shake matches the audio energy. Shot 2, the hair movement matches the wind direction in shot 1, so the cut feels continuous. Shot 3, the face is consistent because the character asset is attached, not redescribed. Shot 4 is the weak one. He turns his head too fast and the beard smears for a frame. The lighting is also flatter than the rest. While that's sitting there, I select the last 4 shots and click Generate on the batch, so the back half is rendering in the background instead of me waiting around. Step 5. Fix one shot, not the whole video. Old workflow. Regenerate everything and pray. Here I click on shot 4, hit comment, and type it like I'm talking to an editor. Slow the head turn, keep the same lighting as shot 3, and hold the eye contact 1 beat longer. Hit send. It regenerates that shot only. Everything else stays untouched. Compare them side by side in the canvas. The new one holds the face, the light matches, and the turn reads as a reaction instead of a glitch. Now open the audio panel. I paste the keeper's 2 lines of dialogue, pick a lower, rougher voice, and drop the storm bed underneath at about 30% so the words still cut through. Then I drag the shots into the sequence, trim shot 9 by half a second because the beat runs long, and hit export at 1080p. Watch the full thing back once before you export anything though. Sound covers a lot of sins, and it also exposes pacing you didn't notice while you were staring at single clips. Step 6. Turn this into a reusable system. This is the part that changes your output for the next 6 months. Open the asset library and save the approved assets from this build: the character, the lighthouse location, the storm audio, and the style reference. Then, open skills and click Create Skill. Name it POV History Format. Everything I just built, the analysis structure, the shot pacing, the camera rules, the prompt style, is now a preset. To prove it, I start a second project, load that skill, and type 1 line. Same format, 1969, a radio operator during a launch. Storyboard, characters, and prompt drafts come back already matching the rules. So that's the honest version. 40 minutes, 11 shots, 1 original video built from a format that already works, and a reusable skill I'll use again next week. Stop juggling AI tools. Start creating in one intelligent workspace. Flova isn't another AI video generator, and it isn't another all-in-one platform. It's an AI-native video agent that helps you plan, organize, review, iterate, and produce inside one workflow. And now, Seedance 2.5 is officially available in Flova, bringing stronger motion, cinematic visuals, and improved consistency into Flova's complete video workflow. With up to 30-second generation, multimodal references, and precise editing, you can go from concept to a complete final video in one workflow. It keeps your project context, lets you explore multiple directions, refine single shots, and turn a workflow that worked into a system you reuse. The link is first in the description. Sign up with it, and you get 100 free credits instantly, and 200 more credits for every new user you invite. Study the structure, never copy the content. That's the whole game.